2, 1.
Prepare yourselves!
Hello, Dread.
On which?
Rage on the move. Murder.
No, don't attack him, please. If you're melee or tank, please.
Troy.
Oh no, don't corner
That's a
yourself.
statue.
Yeah, run, Troy, run.
Ashera. Okay. Move to middle, guys. So we can position. Rage all again.
Vigil. Yeah, go back to the corner. Perfect. Finish him there if you can.
Fear. Okay, just kill him.
You have persevered against some
Going
of my
Lord.
best advisors.
Game 40 yards range, please, guys. Come on, quick.
Stand the
Count
might
to
of the
start, don't wait.
Bloodhammer.
Don't do
4,
anything else,
3,
just move forward.
2,
Sanguinar.
1.
Blood for blood.
Don't pull aggro.
Capernian will see to it that your stay here is a
Capernian?
short
4,
one.
3,
Fear is
2,
tanking.
1.
Thus endure I reign supreme.
Well done. You have proven worthy to test your skills against my
4,
master
3,
engineer,
2,
Telemachus.
1.
Anarala Belore.
Fabs, thanks if you have it.
You have the toy. Anaka, you're on toy.
You're on the weapon, Anaka.
Okay, so we're gonna need to heal Anaka healers, yeah? He's tanking.
Okay, no heals.
Cross traps on
As you
podium.
see, I have many weapons in my arsenal.
Wait for AoE, please. Okay, position them up. Turn the weapon. Okay. Can I start healing people?
Top up raid.
If you get aggro, shatter please. Don't die on this face. Watch the axe, watch the axe.
Go away, go away.
My shield is so close to the axe, watch out.
Pick up the staff. Heal Elandril and Anaka.
Finish the remaining weapons. We have still 30 seconds.
Mana type, please.
Oil on your weapons.
Come.
Please heal Exile, he has 10 stack.
Heal exiled.
Keep healing, Exile, keep healing. Renew on
Perhaps I
Valdemir and Fear.
underestimated you. It would be unfair to make
Fear
you
word on
fight
bal.
all 4 advisors at once, but
Fear word on ball.
treatment was never
2,
shown to my people.
1.
I'm just returning.
Okay, no top big heals now. Watch out.
Okay, he's up.
Last.
Flag. Have to reposition.
Last, please.
No one stand near the Capernaum, guys. She's in a different position now. Watch out, please. He's going for jugs
Am I okay here?
for the time being. But you might need to move.
Annika, you're
Move.
too close.
Okay, Osama have it now.
High Cipher, blink.
Annika, you're still too
I'm going to
close.
video.
We'll just move a bit
Close to
Zankar
what?
near.
Ready?
Okay. So,
Are you still too close?
Vigil again. Finish him off. Come on.
she's moving. I'm not close.
Move. 36 yards off girl. Everyone behind star, please. Heal exiled and heal fear.
This is over to new kings and tell me who to soulstone in 2 minutes.
Oh
Humble.
shit!
1.
We got feared into.
Quiet, please. Quiet.
It's okay.
Don't go in the group. Don't stay outside the group. Here.
It's not the end of the world.
Heal Anaka. Heal Anaka.
It's just the instance, by the way.
Akori needs heal.
Okay, girl is dead.
Lord is almost dead.
Finish Sanguinar. Next phase in 10 seconds. Good on DPS, guys. Come on. Second star already. Second star already. Everybody stack on star. I don't want to see hunters out. Come on. Fire.
We got Phoenix there. Watch where is he going.
Don't cruise the raid, please. Exiled.
We moving because we can't.
We move. Okay.
We move, yeah.
Okay, fine. All stack on star and nuke it. Mind controls.
Regular mind control.
Please waste.
Dot
baby
the
fears.
Phoenix.
Move left.
Dot to Phoenix, please,
Down
guys.
to star. Quickly.
All on egg. New Phoenix coming up. Exile, get ready, mate.
Watch raid.
Phoenix is
Watch.
Behind us, watch out, guys, yeah? Okay, well done. Stack up
Barrier.
star again. Barrier now. On boss, everyone. Come back to star, everyone. Heal exiled. Interrupt, good job. A little bit of DPS on the Phoenix, dots and stuff.
Phoenix at 25%.
Phoenix die.
Okay, move from the Phoenix. He's gonna
Finish
be
the Phoenix.
back. Move from him.
Egg.
Everybody on the egg.
Mind controls quick, please, yeah. Just Alex, egg has to go down, guys, come on. Well done.
Want to melee the Phoenix. Careful.
Yeah, watch out, Phoenix, please, yeah.
Zankar. Okay, well.
You got it. Well done.
Fire on Balnar, watch out.
Choke barrier in 5.
Ready.
Ready.
Okay, I'm
move
going, I'm going.
Phoenix.
Choke
Shock
barrier.
Don't want to touch the Phoenix, all on
Don't
shock
kill
barrier.
the Phoenix. Don't.
DPS shock barrier. Everybody.
It's down.
Okay, egg now, all on egg now, please. Quick switch.
By the power of the sun.
Move out.
Okay, well done. Okay, all on boss now.
Watch Phoenix.
Get the Phoenix out of the way, I'm good.
He's gonna mana treasure as soon as possible.
All ignore the Phoenix now, please. If you burn him, come on.
Good job.
Take that run.
Don't kill
Move
Fire.
out, move out, move out, move out.
Barrier in 2.
Yeah.
It's
Phoenix
one.
dying.
Ignore the Phoenix. Ignore the Phoenix. Okay. All on.
New Phoenix.
New Phoenix.
Further.
The
Yeah,
current
new,
Chance.
yeah, new Phoenix, guys. Just nuke the Phoenix. Ignore the egg. But fear, move out of the raid. Don't stack them. Be careful, guys. You might kill yourselves.
Move out from Phoenixes. They're gonna explode.
Get the egg, guys. When it dies, all on the egg. When the egg dies, switch to the Phoenix.
Move from
All-
the fire melee.
Finish the Phoenix and the egg, please, and then we go on boss.
2,
Boss engaging. Kill the egg. Egg on the raid, watch out. Phoenix on the raid. Tell who's we going to, so we can.
It's on exile.
Okay, fine. Okay, all on the boss now, please. Yeah.
Fly away.
Fly away from the clouds. No damage from the nether beam.
Outrange it, Jones. Go on a height of his head. Use your health stones.
Yeah, just survive. We can't do anything at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Spread around away from the clouds and nuke it.
Do we kill the Phoenix egg or not?
No, no, not yet. But we'll see what happens.
Please, you're moving it to us.
Just nuke the boss. New Phoenix behind the boss. Hunters, pick it up, please.
Misdirection to Balanar.
Raid move away from.
seconds.
Egg is up.
Okay, go egg. We're killing one egg. Come on, kill it fast.
The list.
Did it die or?
Yeah,
No.
it's
Yes,
dead.
that.
Oh, yeah.
Nice one. Well done. Okay, we are ignoring now. Just on the boss now, please. Yeah.
Okay, don't focus
Spread
on
now.
the yet.
Yeah, spread now.
Survive.
Can you please salvation me, exiled? Now.
Salvation
Yes.
exile. I mean on fear.
Thank you very much.
Spread nicely, please. Yeah.
Healthstones and bandages if you got them.
Bandage
Yeah.
yourself, Dragoon. Warlocks, you can life drain. Don't stay on the floor. Move
Watch
away.
out, watch out.
Phoenix dies in 1 second.
Phoenix dying. Maybe kill the egg, yeah, just for safety. I don't know. What do you think?
For some reason I can't cast any spells. What the hell?
Kill the egg, guys. Kill the egg, quick. Get that Phoenix out of the raid. Kill the egg. It's the kill, guys. Yeah. 3 seconds. Come on, finish it off. Well done. Well done. Okay. All on boss now. Spread out. Spread out. Do we have any bloodlust available? No, not yet. Okay. Heal Akori, guys, please.
Inner weight is up, who needs it?
Exiled, watch the nether vapor, please.
No one at the moment.
Don't bring to the raid.
I'm disoriented. 5 seconds. 3.
Use the stuff, guys. Come on.
Dankar.
I have it back.
Okay, fine. Do we have any battle resist? Balanar?
Yeah. Balanar, Freddy. Awesome Pit Predator.
Spread
Yes.
out and survive.
Survive.
Use your health stones.
We are gonna kill him.
Res me because you're in the air anyway, so.
Balanar have inner weight.
No panic.
Yeah. We all got the mana right now. Inner weight holy.
I can still use pot.
Spread out nicely, guys. Come on, all around the boss. Heal people, top people, come on. It's a kill.
I'm dead.
It's okay.
It's fine. Just get the Phoenix. Phoenix, watch the Phoenix. Who's you going to? Tell us.
Just kite the Phoenix. I got
We got this, we
Ginger,
got
move it.
We got it. 200k, come on.
I take one. Boo.
Yeah, it's dead.
Good job,
He's
good
dead,
job,
he's dead.
guys, good job.
Last
Oh,
try, last try.